bottles, or any other man-made container or trash that might emit volatile organic compounds or be responsible for releasing organic compounds into the soil. Even a spilled soft drink can introduce flavorings and other chemicals into the soil that could produce false readings.
What was the question?
Those are your protocols that you have given in collection of these types of samples.
Yes, but you can't take it out of context. From what I recall, we wrote those protocols in response to an investigator who wanted to collect environmental samples in a very large area, an open field type of an area. Obviously, you don't want to collect a control sample where there's a pile of trash in a 40-acre field. That just wouldn't make a lot of sense. So you have to take that statement into context.
You don't want samples collected near trash because it could create false positive readings. Is that correct?
Unless the trash is part of a crime scene.
You don't make that distinction, though, in your protocols, do you, sir?
Well, again, we were talking, if I remember correctly, we were talking about collecting outdoor soil samples in a very large area, and the question came up, where should I collect a control sample? And these are conditions that made, common sense.
Because you don't want them collecting these samples near any gasoline or trash.
Well, it just wouldn't make sense if you're in a 40-acre field.
Especially because they could create false readings. And that's true, sir.
Sure. I mean, as long as it's not part of a particular crime scene, which is part what you need to collect as evidence.
And I'd like to talk to you about another topic, sir.